Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create this kind of bun. For that you need to make a half pony like this and put it like this in front with a clip so that it doesn't come in between the other section. Now we'll take this section now twist and turn around like this to create a bun. Now secure the end with the help of bobby pin. Now take the front section now with the help of bobby pin just secure it so that it creates a puff, so it gives a nice volume in front as well. Now twist the remaining section around the bun. Now I'm just securing with bobby pin and just pulling some hair from front to give a nice volume in front as well. And if you see any hair coming out of the bun, you just secure it with U-pin. Tan-ta-dan! So this is the final result. I hope you like this video. I'll come with more such amazing hairstyles. So subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye guys.